Okay, you guys, so to get started, I'm going to take this pink shade from my palette. All colors will be listed down below, by the way. And I am going to pack it on with this packing brush. I actually think this is a blending brush, but I did use it to pack on the color. And I am just going to pack up the color. I am not going to blend it out or anything. I'm just going to focus on packing the color and building it up. Then I am going to go in and blend that color out with that same exact brush to just make sure that there is no harsh lines. I'm going to be repeating that step a few times, and then once I get my desired darkness, I am going to start to blend out the very top of that. You don't have to do like a perfect job at this point because we will be blending it out later on. But as for now, I'm just doing like small circular motions and then working it back and forth. Then after I feel like the color is dark enough, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a smaller brush and take this purple color and just drag it into my crease. I do have slightly hooded eyes, so I want to make sure that brush is really tiny to really get in there. And then I'm going to take that same exact brush that I used the first time and just go ahead and start blending it out towards the top and adding in more of the pink. After that, I took a big fluffy blending brush and just blended all of it together just so that you could really see the dimension and change of color. I went and added a little brow bone highlight, and then I went back in with that purple shade to darken it once again. With that same brush, I'm now going to dip into a black color and just focus it on the outer edge and then slightly work it in to the center of my eye. I don't want to have that black reach the very tip of the eye, like towards the inner corner. So I only took it up about halfway and I just made sure to really blend it out. Black tends to be a really difficult color to work with, so you definitely want to work your way up. So start out with a little bit of black, and then as you go and as you're blending, add a little bit more each time until you get to the darkness that you like. Now it's time for me to cut my crease. For me, I feel like this is definitely a difficult step just because I do have hooded eyes. Sometimes I don't cut it enough and sometimes I cut it too much. So after doing makeup for almost, I don't know, 7-8 years, I finally think I found a way to cut the crease that works for my eye shape. After you're done cutting the crease, you're going to add a light shimmery shade of your choice. I can't remember what shade I use now, but I will have it linked down below, and you're just going to put it into that blank space and then going back into that purple shade in a really thin brush. I used a lower liner shader brush. Just go ahead and go over that. And then for eyeliner, I wanted to do something different, so I actually took a liquid lipstick. This is, I think, LAX by ColourPop, and I actually drew on my liner that way. It was really hard with the brush I was using, but I really like how it turned out overall, and I definitely want to incorporate my liquid lipsticks for eyeliners because I feel like they work really well. Then I'm going to put on a little bit of mascara and these eyelashes. Shout out to Dodo Lashes, and thank you so much, Lucy, for sending these to me. If you guys want to save some money, please use my code DONUTS at checkout. And then I just basically did the same exact way I did my eyeshadow. I did on my lower lash line, so I did the light pink and then I put the purple underneath. And then I put some eyeliner on, just black liner, and that sums up what I did. I just put on the top and bottom, and I am so slow that I forgot to do an outro filming my face, and this little clip right here is all that I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!